Welcome to the training session on ISO 6330, Domestic Washing and Drying Procedures for Textile Testing. In this session, we will review the scope, principles, equipment, test procedure, and reporting requirements of this standard. The objective is to ensure accurate, consistent, and internationally accepted washing and drying simulations for textile evaluation. The scope of ISO 6330 covers standardized washing and drying methods used for evaluating textiles under domestic laundering conditions. It applies to fabrics, garments, or other textile products that undergo washing and drying during performance testing. The standard defines multiple washing and drying procedures, ensuring global consistency in test results. The principle of this test method is straightforward: to reproduce domestic washing and drying conditions in a controlled laboratory setting. By using standardized reference machines, detergents, and drying processes, the method ensures reproducibility and comparability across laboratories. Apparatus and materials. This method requires specific equipment designed to simulate domestic washing and drying. 3 types of washing machines are recognized: Type A, B, and C. Additionally, the method specifies tumble dryers, drying racks, flatbed press equipment, and textile ballasts to complete the process. Reference washing machines. Type A machines are commonly used in Europe and operate with a horizontal drum. Type B machines represent US-style agitator washers, while Type C corresponds to Asian-style pulsator machines. Each type has specific mechanical actions and water volumes defined in the standard. Tumble dryers and other drying equipment. Tumble dryers are classified into 3 main types, each with distinct heating and moisture control characteristics. The method also allows the use of flatbed presses and drying racks when required. All drying devices must comply with the performance parameters specified in the standard. Ballasts. Ballast materials are used to fill the washing load to the required total mass. Cotton ballast is used for cellulosic materials, polyester ballast for synthetics, and blended ballast for mixed fabrics. All ballast compositions must meet the requirements in Annex G of the standard. Reference detergents. The ISO 6330 standard specifies 7 types of reference detergents to ensure consistency. Detergents vary by enzyme content, optical brighteners, and region of application. For instance, reference detergent 2 and 3 are used with Type A and B machines, while detergent 4 applies to Type C. Water requirements. Water quality is critical to test accuracy. Hard water can affect detergent performance and washing efficiency. Ensure that water hardness, supply pressure, and inlet temperature comply with the specified limits or are reported if deviations occur. Conditioning and testing atmosphere. Before and after laundering, specimens must be conditioned under standard atmospheric conditions per ISO 139. This ensures dimensional stability and accurate mass measurement prior to testing. Wash load preparation. Prepare the washing load by combining the specimen and the appropriate ballast. The total mass should be approximately 2 kilograms. Ensure even distribution in the drum to simulate realistic washing action and prevent imbalance. Washing procedure. Select the correct procedure according to the reference machine type and required severity level. Detergent dosage must strictly follow the specified amounts, for example, 20 plus or minus 1 g of detergent for Type A machines. After washing, remove specimens gently to avoid stretching or distortion. Drying procedures. Drying is performed immediately after washing. Each procedure simulates a specific domestic drying method. Tumble drying parameters such as temperature, cycle time, and residual moisture must follow clauses 10.4 to 210.4.4. Test report requirements. All test reports must clearly identify the washing and drying conditions used. Include details such as detergent composition, machine type, drying procedure, ballast, and any deviation from the method. Accurate documentation ensures traceability and result validity. Summary and good laboratory practices. To maintain consistency and reliability, laboratories must adhere strictly to ISO 6330 procedures. Calibrate equipment regularly, handle specimens carefully, and ensure all records are complete and traceable. This guarantees the integrity of laundering test results across all textile evaluations. Thank you for joining today's session on ISO 6330 domestic washing and drying procedures for textile testing. I hope this training has given you a clear understanding of the procedure and its importance in textile testing. If you found this session useful, please share your feedback so we can continue improving our training programs for you.